Can you name four accounting principles
Accounting
or
principles.
accounting concept? Yeah.
Accounting principles.
Yeah, principle, concept, whatever you would like to say. Any four
Accounting principles or accounting
concepts. Yeah.
full disclosure. I think one is there. Uh,
Okay.
Cost principle.
Okay.
I also the revenue recognition,
Revenue recognition concept. Okay.
approval principles, and
Uh,
that's all.
okay. Okay. So what will be my entry of purchase return?
Purchase and bank account debit to purchase return account.
Okay. Purchase return is a asset or liability?
It will, first of all, it will assets.
Hmm? Sorry.
Asset. I think it will be asset. No, no, it will be liability. Sorry, it will be liability.
Purchase is a asset or liability?
Purchase the asset for us.
Okay. What is accrual?
Accrual, the things or goods we receive, but the payments which have yet to be paid or the payment we have yet to be received is known as accruals.
Difference between prepaid income and prepaid expenses?
I think prepaid income is prepaid expenses, the expenses we have incurred, but we have not received the bill or not paid the bill. In the accrued income is the income which have we earned but not received. We can take in accrued income. We can take the example of our salary. That we have salary, we have do the work, but we have not received. That is known as accrued income. And expenses are same like for the in case of this for the employer, the salary will be his accrued expenses.
Okay. Do you know what is ad hoc journal entries?
No,
Okay. What about recurring journal entries?
recurring,
Mhm.
or we can say reclass.
Sorry,
Recurring journal entries. No idea about that recurring journal entries.
non-recurring journal entries.
The entry, I think we have to reoccur again after the occur after the booking. We can say that is the recurring journal entries.
Sorry, could you please come again on recurring?
The entries that we have booked already, and after that, it reoccur again. So we can say that reoccurring journal entries.
And what is non-recurring?
The entry which is not reoccur yet, or
Can you give me example of
but
both? One example for both.
suppose we have a book entry for anything, and it will got mistakenly wrong or like that.
Give
Then
me one
the
example
entry
of
example
recurring journal entry. Yeah.
reoccurring. We can what you can. No idea. I have no example for that. We can also explain that in this way, like we are booking an entry for the some entity, and it got recorded wrong, and it reoccur again. So
No, it
I have
is
no.
rectification. It is not recurring. But yeah, no issue. I'll try. Okay, so do you know what is manual journal entries?
The entries which we are passing manually without any using shortcuts of software.
So do you know what is intercompany transactions?
The transaction which are taken between its subsidiary and parent company is known as intercompany transactions.
What is a subsidiary company?
Suppose we can take the example of the just like a Wipro US and Wipro India. Wipro India will be subsidiary company of Wipro US.
Okay. So what will be my journal entry if we buy new machinery?
In this machinery account debit to bank or the creditors they are purchasing from that. The person you can purchasing from that. You are making the payment in bank or cash. It will be machinery account debit to bank.
Okay. Uh, what will be my journal entry in case of intercompany transaction? Let's suppose XYZ India Limited bought a machinery and transferred it to XYZ UK Limited.
I think the entry will be same. There will be no changes in the purchase.
So what will be my intracompany entries in this transaction?
Intercompany, the if you're sending one is the XYZ and other one is which account?
Sorry,
Can you please
can you
speak?
please come again?
I think I say, can you please again repeat the question that XYZ we are
Yeah,
purchasing for?
okay. So let's suppose XYZ India Limited company bought one machinery and then transferred this machinery to XYZ UK Limited. So what will be my
Okay.
intercompany journal entry?
The XYZ UK to the XYZ US company.
Okay. And what about machinery? Do we need to book anything in machinery as well?
Yeah, as we purchasing it to the purchase account debit to the XYZ US, but because we are purchasing from it to US and transferring then it to UK.
But you are not mentioning machinery anywhere in your journal entry. So how would we know that we have, transferred the machinery?
This, I think we can pass two different entries for this.
Yes. What are those entries?
The first will be the per messenger account debit to purchase, and then we'll pass the transfer entry that the UK account debit to US.
UK account debit to US. But if I share this entry only with you, UK account debit to India. So how do you know that we are talking about a machinery here? Because you are not using machinery account anywhere. If India Limited is transferring machinery from their, office to UK, do we need to credit the machinery in India? Because that machinery won't be, that machinery won't be there any longer.
Yeah, I think we need to
So,
credit the machinery to India.
but you are not mentioning it anywhere in your journal entry. So, would you like to try again, or you want me to move ahead?
Move ahead. I think I got confused in this.
No worries. So, if you like, I have one video on journal entry of intercompany. So you can, go and watch that video in my record report playlist, and you will be able to, understand the intercompany journal entry concept.